Attention! All Borborbor groups across Ghana, get ready for the National Borborbor Championship 2025. Do you have what it takes to be crowned the best in Ghana? If you are a Borborbor group, send us your best 2-minute performance video. WhatsApp it now to 0539 984 990 and get shortlisted for the grand competition. Showcase your Borborbor group and your community on national television. Registration ends on 20th June 2025. Winner takes home the ultimate trophy, 20,000 Ghana cedis cash prize. Performance at the 2026 Borborbor Fiesta in Accra. An ambassadorial deal with the National Commission on Culture. First runner-up wins 10,000 Ghana cedis. Second runner-up takes home 5,000 Ghana cedis. Souvenirs from sponsors. Don't miss this chance to shine and make history. Send your video now to 0539 984 990. Let's celebrate our culture. Let's dance. Let's win.